Hynniewtrep.
The Hynniewtrep Youth Council today demanded the Union Home Ministry to ensure the safety and security of religious communities across the country. The HYC has made this demand after two of the church leaders belonging to Hynniewtrep Presbyterian Church were allegedly manhandled in Bihar on Tuesday. Talking to reporters after meeting Chief Secretary Donald P. Watlang, HYC President Robert June Karjarin has urged upon the state government to follow up the case with Bihar to ensure that the miscreants involved in the incident are booked.
So we request the government of Meghalaya to pursue this matter with the government of Bihar, that those people who manhandle our religious leaders should be booked as per law. We also demand from the Home Ministry Government of India to ensure that this should not happen in any futures.